This is a situation that you hear a clicking sound. This is on a HighTone 14, and you're like, well, what's going on with that? You know, is that a particular problem? And this is actually a pretty simple solution. If you look back here, you'll see those little studs and little bolts that we use to hold off the motor mount. If I pull this motor up, you see the clicking goes away because that's just vibrating. That right one is vibrating against the back of the saw, and it's kind of unnerving. All we need to do is just tighten that up, and then it's no longer going to rattle. Okay, there we go. Now you can see it's running smooth. It's not rattling anymore there, so we're good to go there.